Hi guys, welcome to my green screen. This is definitely something new, and these past few weeks I've been trying to learn some more video editing techniques, so we'll see how this turns out. I received Gucci's new mascara and I really wanted to try it out in front of you guys. Plus I haven't been doing my makeup in the past week. Yeah, I kind of wanted to bring back like those moments of normalcy, and yeah, I'm not going out today, but we're gonna do my makeup anyways. I've already prepped my skin, and the first thing I'm going to do is throw on some of the Bite Beauty agave lip mask. I've already talked about this agave lip mask in my skincare video. It's amazing. Keeps my lips hydrated all day long. And this one's tinted, so it's actually nice to put on when you're not going to put on lipstick, so you just have a little bit of color on your lips. Now that that's done, I'm going to put on some of Giorgio Armani's Power Fabric. I don't typically use a lot of foundation, but when I do, I kind of swap between this and MAC's liquid foundation. This foundation is a little heavier than I would typically wear day to day, since I tend to dilute my foundations with creams. I think this is a good one for like events and whatnot. Now I'm gonna go in with some concealer. I have been consistently using this Evio Beauty all-in-one concealer just for under my eye bags and under my nose because of the redness. Just gonna apply some like light strokes where my eye bags are. And because this is a little bit thicker, I think it's, for me at least, it's harder to blend with a brush, so I just kind of use my fingers to warm it up and move it around. And what I especially like about this concealer is that it doesn't look too cakey, like it's pretty seamless with my skin. And to finish off my concealer, I'm actually going to go in with YSL's Fusion Ink Cushion Foundation, which I have lost the applicator for, but I'm going to use a brush. So this foundation is actually a little light for my skin, which is why I'm using it to kind of just highlight the trouble, not highlight, help hide the trouble spots underneath my eyes. Like right here. Next, I'm going to use MAC's Light Mineralized Skin Finish Natural just to powder my face and kind of set everything in place. I want to make sure I get quite a bit of powder underneath my eye, since that's where it tends to smudge throughout the day. Now that I'm done with that, we're going to go straight into my eyebrows. So I'm still using MAC's eyeshadow in Wedge as per my last makeup video. And I'm using the same eyebrow angled brush. And for me, because I have really light eyebrows, I think it's a really great and natural way to darken my eyebrows. So I'm just following the direction of my eyebrow hairs with the brush. I don't know why. I'm pretty sure it's because like when I was in high school, everyone was really into plucking their eyebrows, but my left eyebrow has a very light end. Like don't have that many hairs growing, so it looks really light. So I do need to fill it in quite a bit. Now I'm using this Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim Defining Pencil in Soft Brown for my left eyebrow where I do have like a lighter end. It allows me to just kind of draw in the hairs where I want to and add more definition. And the nice thing about this pencil is that there is a little spoolie at the end. that you can use to brush out your eyebrows after so they don't look so drawn in. I don't know why eyebrows always give me such a hard time. And then I'm using Milk Makeup Kush Fiber Brow Gel in Dutch, which is almost done for me. And for me, I really like this because it just kind of helps define the hairs again. Okay, we're gonna do a little contour. I'm still using this MAC eyeshadow in Wedge. I'm just going to kind of like do it very messily. There's no rhyme or reason to it. Side of my nose. And onto that, I'm gonna go do my blush. Still using MAC's Peaches Sheer Tone Blush, which I broke, so it's a little janky right now, but still does the job. So I'm going to put my blush kind of at the tops of the apples of my cheeks, if that makes sense. Just to kind of lift my face up. I'm also going to take some blush and put it onto my nose. Just kind of connect and make it look like I've actually seen some sun, which I haven't. I really do like how this blush kind of fades throughout the day. So now I'm going to actually layer my blush with some of the Gucci lipsticks. Gucci actually designed their lipsticks to be multifunctional, so they can be used on your eyes, they can be used on your cheeks. So my favorite Gucci lipstick to use all around is this Rouge à Lèvres Voile, Golden Goldie Red, and it's kind of like a sheer lipstick. It looks like this, but it's quite sheer when you apply it, so you can always layer it as you need, and it's not too pigmented. So I'm putting some on my finger, and I'm just going to like add some right below where I put my blush, and then down. And you want to blend it outwards and up. Next, I'm going to do my highlight. I've been really loving this No-Toe Hydra Highlighter Face and Body. For me, what turns me off from a lot of highlighters is that they look really obvious. It's just like, you know, bam, like highlight. So the thing I really like about this is that it just kind of looks like a natural glow and sheen. I'm applying some highlighter on my nose. Also, when you do the highlighter, up here, you kind of want to make sure that you go to the tops of your cheekbones as well, drag it down, and then go all the way up on your orbital socket, I guess. And because we're doing this makeup for fun, I'm going to add a little bit of extra highlighter. I'm using this Lancome Custom Strobing Drop. I'm going to put some on my hands. This stuff goes a very long way, so I probably won't even use everything that's on my hand right now. So now I'm just gonna finish up my contour. So again, I'm taking the eyeshadow and I'm taking the smaller brush and I'm gonna just kind of finish up my nose. I'm gonna put some here to just kind of add some depth to my nose. So now I'm gonna go move on to my eyes. I haven't really been using eyeshadow as of late because my eyelids have been getting really dry, so I've been either not using any eyeshadow at all or putting on that No-No highlighter or using lipsticks because they are like much more hydrating than eyeshadow powders. For this video, I'm going to be using that same Gucci lipstick that I use on my cheeks. And we're going to just apply using my finger again. Just kind of blend it. If you want it darker, you can always add more because this lipstick is nice and sheer. And now I'm going to put some on my pinky, and I'm going to put some underneath on my bottom eyelid. bit more of the lipstick in the corners of my eyelids. Now that I've done my eyeshadow, I'm going to be using a little bit of eyeliner. I don't normally do this day to day, but for the purpose of this look, I will. I am using MAC's Black Brushstroke Liner. I love how pointed the tip is because all I'm going to be doing is going along my lash line. Sometimes I'll use my eyebrow brush to kind of just smudge the line. And I want to do a really small wing. I don't want it to be too obvious that I have eyeliner on. Kind of just want to subtle. I also like to stop drawing my eyeliner near the middle of my eyelid, just to make it again look a little more natural. I'm using my Shurumura eyelash curler. I don't know what it is, my eyelashes never stay. But anyways, done with the eyelash curler. We're going to move on to mascara, and we're using Gucci's latest mascara in Eve Black. I actually tried this yesterday and I love the applicator. For me, I have very light and small eyelashes, so I feel like this applicator is really great for people who do have smaller eyelashes. I also love how it applies quite naturally, so it doesn't look too chunky. Now we're going to attend to my bottom lashes, which pretty much are non-existent. For my lips, I'm going to be using the Gucci Rouge à Lèvres Satin in Goldie Red. Excuse my French. Which is kind of like a deep, beautiful red. So I'm going to smudge it out with my fingers because I feel like when it's smudged out then it already looks kind of messy and then you don't have to keep touching it up as much. And then whatever's on my fingers, I'm actually going to apply onto my eyelids. Okay, so I think I'm more or less done. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully see you guys back on YouTube soon. Bye.